Yo guys, and welcome to a video that I wanted to make for a long time. How do I record my gameplays? Before I get into this, please subscribe, like, share, comment and turn on notifications if you never want to miss a new upload. So first, you want to search up Loilo screen recorder, just like I'm searching up right here. Now you want to click the first result, game recorder, Loilo inch, and after you click that, you should come to this page. Now hit the download button. Depending on what browser you use, you should get a prompt looking like this, and you want to hit save. Now it will save the file. Once it's done saving the file, you want to hit on run, and now it will run the setup. As you can see, I already used this, but when I click OK, it will go to the setup. So first of all, you just want to click on install, and it will set up and prepare Lollyscope 2. This is the editing. You get a free test or trial of this thing. You cannot avoid this. You'll always get this, and you can just install it after, or uninstall it after you got it. So then you should come into this interface. I'll quickly go through all the features that you have in Lollilo. So you can select a game to record. You have a settings panel, as I have right here. You can select a location for saves, and here the quality, frame rate, and more. I just have it to the standard. It automatically does it on depending on how good your computer is. The key to start recording, some other options, and yeah. So now that we've gone through this, we can just click on close and it will autosave. Now we have YouTube. We can edit and upload or direct upload. We can look at all files that we have made so far. We can also delete files. Here we have our microphone. I normally have it at 3 or 4 bars, so you select the microphone and test. Yeah, I like to have it at about 4 bars. The meter doesn't go up very high, but that's normal. So now what you want to do is go into your audio settings and set that. And now we've basically gone through all the settings. You can also full screen it, and then we'll go to the left side of your screen. You can also select a location where you want to record. Every time it automatically recognizes something else, I have to go back to auto for it to scan something else. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you find this easy. Please leave a like and subscribe if this helped you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.